Hey everyone! Today we discuss about types of operating system. First type is batch operating system. It is a computer system that allows multiple users to use it without direct communication between them. Second type is multi-programming operating system. It is an operating system that supports the running of numerous programs simultaneously on a single processor machine. Third type is time-sharing, multitasking operating system. It is a method of allowing multiple individuals at different terminals to access the same computer system simultaneously. Fourth type is real-time operating system. It is an OS that guarantees real-time applications a certain capability within a specified deadline. Fifth type is network operating system. It is a computer operating system, OS, that's designed primarily to support workstations, PCs, and, in some instances, older terminals that are connected on a local area network, LAN. Sixth type is distributed operating system. It is system software over a collection of independent software, networked, communicating, and physically separate computational nodes.